If you've got a domain and it's not currently connected to your hosting website, or you're having problems connecting it, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. It's quick and easy, so follow me. So to get your domain connected back to your Hostinger account or a website in particular, from your homepage, you're going to look for domains over here and you're going to click on Manage. Now on the left hand side, you will see DNS/name servers. You're going to go in here and you can see over here it says your domain is not pointing to Hostinger. So you're going to go and click here where it says change name servers, and I have entered in these name servers. Now this is of course not pointing back to Hostinger. What you want to do is click over here where it says use hosting and name servers, and this is, as they say, recommended. You're going to go ahead, click on save, and these changes will now take effect. Again, I just want to note that it will take up to 24 hours to propagate. So wait it out. And if it's still giving you trouble, then you can contact support and see what the problem is, if there is a deeper problem.